Blessed grand rising to the 12th tribe of Israel. And first and foremost, we have to give our praise unto the Most High and His beloved Son, Yahweh Shai. Today on my channel, I'm going to be making a banana plantain beet rum cake. So catch me while I'm going through the steps. So family, in this mixing bowl, I've got 4 eggs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 shot of white rum, half a cup of vegetable oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this out with a hand mixer. So everything is mixed in, so what I'm going to add now is 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix this up a little bit more. So right here I got 3 cups of flour. So adding into the flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. So right now I'm going to do is add the flour into my mixing bowl. So my first half of the flour is in, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this in. So the first half of my flour is mixed in, so I'm going to add the second half. So the second half is in, so remember I'm using a strainer to sift the flour in. So in this bowl I have 2 ripe banana and 1 ripe plantain. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it into my mixture. So my banana and my plantain is in, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this up. So everything is mixed in, so I'm going to grate a half a size nutmeg in there. Yeah, it's fine. So this is my cake all finished. Looking beautiful. So on the right, it's just the banana plantain rum. And on the left is the beet banana plantain rum. So this is what it looks like all finished and cut. Very moist. So remember, if you like these recipes, you can drop them down in the comment section and I'll share them with you. Shalom.